Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix a story stuck on posting on Instagram. To do that is really simple, and we are going to go through few steps, and by applying all those steps I'm pretty sure that you will post your story normally. So the first thing we should see and be sure that internet is working properly on Instagram. Of course, you have to check like the internet, Wi-Fi or cellular data is currently active on your device, and after that you have to go to cellular and go like for cellular data, like here, click on show all, go to Instagram and be sure that it's checked on WLAN in cellular data to be sure like that internet is working properly on the app, because off, that means internet is not working, and WLAN means Instagram will work only with Wi-Fi. After that, we go to the application. And of course, when posting like a new story, you have to wait for few minutes, because sometimes if your video is large or there is some server issues, this may delay like story posting or story upload a little bit. So you have to give it maybe like 3 to 5 minutes depending on the video that you are uploading. And another thing that you should do is to restart the Instagram app, and to restart it you have just to swipe up, and after that swipe up again with the Instagram and go open the app again. And another thing that you can do is to restart your phone, and like you have or you know how to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone you can leave it like closed maybe for 2 or 3 minutes, and after that open it again. You have also to check if there is any update for Instagram, and to check that you have to go to the App Store and type Instagram and check if there is any update for Instagram, and if there is any update, install it. And to know if there is an update or not, instead of the open icon that you see in the middle of the screen, it will be written update. Another thing that you can do, if like still not working, you have to turn airplane mode on and off and leave it like off for 10 seconds, because this will reconnect the internet again with your device. You have to activate it like that and leave it for 10 seconds and turn it off again. It may help also. Also, you have to check the available storage on your device, because sometimes when like device or your device is low on storage, it can interrupt uploads. So to check the device storage, we go to settings, and after that general and iPhone storage. As you can see, for example, for me, I still have storage. And also, if you are using a VPN or proxy, you have to deactivate them, because sometimes VPN or proxy may like interrupt your internet connection and make it slow, and this may slow down like uploading stories to post them. And like also you have to check the Instagram server status, because sometimes there may be some problems with Instagram, but those problems happen maybe once every year or 2 years, and they stay for 2 or 3 hours. And to check that you have to go to Twitter and look for Instagram like error or something like that. Type it on especially Twitter, because on Twitter they post the latest news. And when you check if there is any error happening, you will see like people talking about it. And the last solution that you can do is to log out from your account and log in again, enter again to your account. And by trying all those solutions, I'm pretty sure that this will solve the problem that you are having and your story will not be stuck. And the common reasons for that problem are like the slow or unstable internet connection, also the temporary Instagram like server issues that may happen sometimes. Sometimes it's caused also by your outdated Instagram app or the low device storage if you are using a VPN or proxy like I said, and also if you are using large or unsupported media files and you want to upload them. And the last reason may be temporary app glitches. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.